I don't know what I'm doing. Now we gotta fit all that in that hole. I don't know if that's big enough, but I think that's all the time I have for today. Got some of that couch picked up, so like slab wood or whatever. Just got some of that moved into the hole. See if it'll burn. Golf club. I don't know if you can tell, but it's raining out. It likes to rain when we work down here, which is nice. We do need the rain.
You can reach the pedals. You're old enough to start running this, eh?
No.
No!
This.
Oh, you'll be a good operator someday, I'm sure. Nice morning, a little bit cool. You've got your snowsuit on for the first time. Mom was doing some tidying up down here. That looks nice. It's a beautiful view down here, isn't it? Be nice when we get all this cleaned up.
Hi. Look at that. Wow.
Mom and Grace just went home, got some snacks, Grace and I were running the excavator.
You mean Maeve?
Oh,
No.
who did I say? Maeve? Or
Grace.
Grace? Maeve and I were running the excavator. Ended up with a bunch more stuff piled up here, so we're gonna have another little fire. Excavator's looking good. Meow. Oops. Not hanging at the door. Yeah, I'll deal with that later. But anyways, got a bunch of those vines ripped down. I was pawing at some of that fencing. There was a bunch of just junk old wood and stuff in there, and broken section of that pulled out of there. See if we can get a little smudge going here. Got some of this cleaned up over here. Just the fence all pulled out of here. Still a bunch of small stuff. Yeah, that's looking great. Got a bit of the red cedars burnt up. It's 1 o'clock, it's time to go home and eat lunch. Got a little landscaping done too. Wow, I was doing a nice job leaf blowing the road.
And Chief's on the road.
Yeah, Chief's on duty. Yeah, Mom did the driveway while you guys are napping. Now she's heading down towards Nanny's. Hi, Chief. This is what we got accomplished today. That's probably going to be it. I don't know if we'll make it back down here tomorrow or not to do any work. Got quite a bit cleaned up. Every little bit looks better. Right? Looking pretty nice down here.
Trying to stick.
Yeah.
Throw it in the fire.
Okay.
Oh, missed.
That's okay. I don't think so.
No, I want to.
This is the first harvest off of this field, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah. October 25th, 2025. 8727 MF. Geez, that's a big tractor. A little different than the old tractors and silage wagons I grew up riding around in. Must have been awful dusty when they were doing her. Too bad we missed them, but cool, we still got to see some of the gear.
No, 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 no. Oh, no.
You had enough for today? Yeah.
Cheese.
yeah, look at that view.
We did a lot of stuff.
You did a nice job in the excavator, Maven Grace.
Good work today, kids.
Yeah.
You can't see my flan butt.
We made it down. We came for a wagon ride for the kids and walk for us. Another beautiful morning. It was frosty last night. Burnt up not too bad. Brought the saw down. Probably do a little bit of cutting here to get all this flipped in and get it all burnt up. I was noticing yesterday this track seemed a little loose, so we'll tighten it up. If you guys watch, this track will get tighter when I do this. If the grease gun's not out of grease. There, she's going good now. Try and tidy up some of this loose stuff. Junior operator here is going to give her a go. Might have to choke it to get it going.
Good job.
Sun's going down on another beautiful weekend. Oh, I never even got to appreciate this over here yet. I was playing around there before lunch today. Kind of got that smoothed out a bit. Bit more garbage picked out. There was a big hump right here, so I ended up just pushing it out. That looks a lot better. So there's a fence post here. So I don't know if this is the corner post for the property or if that one's the corner, but fence will get sorted out later. But yeah, we got a lot of stuff burnt up here. Looks good that all those trees are gone. Much better. Show the apple tree, kind of got it trimmed up a bit. Only a little bit of fence wire left in there. Got all this fence around here ripped out, so just need to get those tires moved now. That's next weekend's project. Oh, there's a bunch of stuff around there I pulled out too. And then kind of got back in here a bit. Pretty nice spot down here.